This video is for helping kids with significant mouthing behaviors. Now, one of my favorite strategies for helping try to reduce mouthing behaviors is to have kids engage in a sorting task where they're sorting edible and non-edible items. So it's a way to sort of teach discrimination. So you're teaching a child what is edible and acceptable and what is not edible and acceptable. And oftentimes I like to take that information after a sorting task and put it in a little chart. So that way the child has an instant visual as to what's appropriate to mouth and what is not appropriate to mouth. So sometimes practicing those sorting tasks, allowing a child to learn that discrimination, and then giving them a visual menu of what's appropriate can serve as a teaching mechanism as well as a reminder for what is okay to put in the mouth and what is not okay to put in the mouth. So click through the playlist on mouthing behaviors, see which ones look good for your child. Developmentally, they may be at different stages, so you may be trying a variety of different strategies, but there are many ways to address this type of an issue, and this one just might help. So give it a try.